Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or much good depending on your location. Please join in the struggle to liberate our people from the contraption. Like and share videos, news updates. We will not guarantee industrial harmony if kidnappings of our members is not abated. NMA in Enugu State states. Now the Nigerian Medical Association in Enugu State, talking about doctors in Enugu State. They said the government of Enugu State should do everything possible to stop the kidnapping of their members. Otherwise, they will not guarantee industrial harmony in the state. Doctors have been kidnapped in Enugu State, of course. In a communique they issued after the emergency meeting, it was signed by the Enugu State Chapter Chairman, Dr. Celeste Ugoke, and the General Secretary, Rotarian Dr. Sunday Okafor. They stated earnestly that, look, their members would embark on industrial action if the state government and security agencies fail to take action to secure the medical and dental council workers in Enugu State. They said about 10 doctors has been kidnapped in Enugu State. 10 doctors has been kidnapped. So they issued a communique after the emergency meeting, like I've said. So let me read their communique. It's disturbing after all, this issue of kidnapping of medical doctors in Enugu State. So they say it has become a norm. That's what the medical doctors are saying. So this has become a norm. Now let me quote their statement or their communique. Quote, the EGM strongly resolved to call on the Enugu State government to, as a matter of urgency, ensure that all our public hospitals are well and heavily guarded by armed security personnel, and equally ensure the beefing up of the presence and operations of armed security patrol teams across the state. Unanimously resolved to request the state government to, as a matter of utmost priority, rejig and revamp the current security architecture of the state through adequate funding for security, installations of modern technologies and security gadgets, among other innovative security measures that would speedily help bring this ugly situation to a halt. The EGM further resolved to mandate the management of the various health institutions in the state to either ensure that medical and dental consultants on hospital calls are provided with decent call rooms, meals, etc., or in the alternative provide a to and fro ambulance escort for them to be able to perform their duties. The EGM also resolved to unequivocally charge all health institutions in the state to, as a matter of urgency, set up a security committee meeting, adopt and adapt the UNTH template currently being implemented, while also factoring in their peculiarities as the case may be. The EGM finally resolved to notify the state government and all other relevant quarters of authority in the state that the association will closely monitor the trend and implementation of these resolutions, including the earlier advanced protest letters, and may not be able to guarantee industrial harmony in the entire health sector of the state if reasonable progress are not made in good time. End of quote. And so on. This statement of the NMA, Nigerian Medical Association in Enugu State, decrying the level of kidnapping of the members in Enugu State. Security agents and the government of Enugu State, they are calling on them, say, look, you guys must rise up to the occasion, do something about this, otherwise we'll turn tools. We are going on industrial action. We will embark on industrial action. That's what the leadership of this association is saying. So if this did not abate, we are going to, embark on industrial action. So this Fułân Hèrđsmèń, they are kidnapping people in Enugu State. Of course, you know, Enugu State is their haven. They have their fortress in Enugu State, haven for Fułân kidnappers. Enugu State. Now the governor, the Çhâsé, Enugu State governor, is chasing IPOB members. Is trying to end civil disobedience of the people of the Enugu State. So we are protesting, or we are demanding for the release of our leader, Mazam. He's chasing them, chasing IPOB. IPOB committed no offense. Good thing IPOB has been The court in Enugu State, it was in Enugu that the court said IPOB is not a terrorist organization. So why are you disturbing the peace of the people? So the Fułân Hèrđsmèń terrorizing him, terrorizing the governor of Enugu State. But this is not him directly anyway. They are terrorizing the citizens. The doctors are now the endangered species in Enugu State. And it's not good. It's not good because if doctors who are treating patients in the hospitals, they are being kidnapped, they down tools, they go on industrial action, of course you know that people will be dying. People will die in that hospital. And that is more genocide. So it's a means of committing genocide. It's even the easiest way. If we Fułân Hèrđsmèń are kidnapping doctors who are supposed to be treating patients, sick people at the various hospitals in our states and in our communities and in localities, it then means that people will be dying in their large numbers, in their hundreds, in the hospitals. And that is genocide. It's an advanced way of genocide. This particular way of killing people. Fułân Hèrđsmèń will come and abduct doctors. Okay? And the citizens, the civilians, the innocent people, the patients, the sick people that are supposed to be attended to by these doctors will be left to die. So we are saying this is unacceptable. Yes, the governor of Enugu State, Peter Mbah, rise up, do your job as the governor. Stop chasing shadows. Stop chasing shadows. Yes, supposed to do his job as a governor. Should stop chasing shadows. The medical doctors are complaining bitterly by the activities of this Fułân Hèrđsmèń, because they're the ones kidnapping. You see what they're doing? They kidnapped Benue Link's vehicle, not just quite long ago, but a week ago. Benue Links has become a target. Benue Links from Benue to Abuja to they kidnap this Fułân Hèrđsmèń. Okay? Yes, they kidnap in Enugu too. So these are the people terrorizing the states, and the governor is there moping. But we are calling on him now to rise up to the occasion, to do what he's supposed to do. Security is the utmost responsibility of any responsible government. If you fail, you are irresponsible government. If you fail to secure your people, you are irresponsible. It is the utmost responsibility or priority, if you like, of any responsible government, securing the people. And that is where this governor is being found wanting. He will beat his chest and come out in full force to chase people who are sitting at home. Sitting at home, you want to drag them out. They are not lawbreakers. You are the lawbreaker yourself, the governor who is not doing your job as a governor of the state to secure the people. Rise up to the occasion, do your job. To secure the people, secure the doctors, secure the masses, secure the civilians, unarmed people, innocent persons, unarmed people, That's what we are saying. For now that you are the governor. For now that you are the governor.